Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So prepare for this now. Like I told you guys in yesterday's video, exactly what's happening right now at the very given moment. Told you guys October will be one of the best months that we experienced all year. Being for the fact that we just came up out of the worst month, we already have a lot of signs of confirmation that this month should be a great month. Already performing the first 2 days, 2 days out of the beginning of this month, being one of the best performing days in the past 2 years in the whole overall market. We also seen that in the past 2 days, we have some of the biggest comebacks and performing better than we did since mid-July around this year. So we send a lot of confirmation, a lot of signals that the market is ready to, go into uproar, even if it's just for a short period of time. We also noticed that on yesterday, we had a midday rally, a continuation. Usually during that time, even if we go into a bullish market within the bearish market, it usually will sell off. But that just give you even more signs that this bad boy is ready to run. So like I told you guys in yesterday's video, for the ones in the back, I knew it would happen. I knew it would come. Go back to yesterday's video. I said, but be prepared for a pullback. Don't be surprised whenever it just happened out the blue. And it's crazy how it's happening right now today. Basically reversing some of those gains back. And I know some people probably thinking, oh, I thought Hayes said, just like I said in yesterday's video, I thought Hayes said October was going to be so crazy. I said not every single day. Not every single day in October is going to just be green, 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 green. The market just doesn't work like that. That's why I told you guys in yesterday's video, I like watch how the psychological points come into play, because there's multiple areas that you need to focus on. Watch how it come into play on today or the next, like very soon. And basically that's exactly what happened. I told you guys human nature is always staying the same. It never changes. So on yesterday and the day before, people probably, they ain't really budge too much. They're like, okay, one green day after months and months and months of redness, like I'm not going to budge it. But that second day, the market had, did very high performed on a high level. That's when they got intrigued. Like, okay, let me hurry up and rush in and get in before, before it come back down or why it's hyped up. Basically don't want to buy into the green. And that's when everybody rushed in on yesterday. And that's why the market is reversing and coming back down tomorrow, because it was a lot of scared money. It's just money, that's basically iffy. They trying to get in and get out real quick. Exactly what we should be doing, but it's a difference whenever you prepare for way ahead of the rush. Like I've been telling you guys for weeks that this was about to happen again. And that's how you know the difference between somebody prepared for it and somebody just waiting to the first green day and try to rush in and then just getting in and out, selling for a loss. Because like right now today, for instance, some may think, well, what's wrong with just waiting and buying it whenever it go green? What's wrong with that is, I'm not gonna hold you too long. What's wrong with that point is, whenever you buy, whenever it's going up, you more likely to sell whenever it start going down, because you never had conviction in the first place to buy previous before the run up. And if you did, because like I did, because I've been talking about it, I already had that conviction previously, you more intrigued to hold your position and let it do what it's supposed to do. But if you just buying because human nature, you see it going up, you're gonna sell as soon as it go down too, because the economy. If you know this, you should know this, but the economy is still at the state that it's in. So it's, theoretically possible for it to go down even lower. So you kind of, not scared, don't know what to do. So you end up selling it. For buying it as it go up, selling it for a loss as it pull back like it's doing today, guys. So I want you to get out of that system, that little rat race. So anyway, stock reverses some gains after a sharp 2-day rally on Wall Street. Dow falls 200 points. U.S. stocks fall on Wednesday, giving back some of its sharp gains from the last 2 trading days as Treasury yields rose. The Dow Jones declined 206 points. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ dipped 0.9%, guys. So as we know, like I told you guys, we prepared for this. Go look in yesterday's video. I prepared exactly for this right here to happen. The thing is, I'll tell you exactly what's about to happen next. The market is still in a temporary bullish uptrend, meaning this dip, I'm glad it happened early in the morning. As soon as the bell opened, it was already happening. Usually, guys, the psychological points behind that, whenever they go ahead and get it out the way early, it's ready to go ahead and shoot back up around 10, 20-ish, 10 o'clock. and it's ready to shoot back up. Come lunchtime today, they'll sell it off again because they got to mess with you up there. And then towards the end of the day, it's going right back into that upward trend towards power hour. And we going off to have a great month in October, guys, with overall market. So like I told you guys, the play is still in effect to be, getting what you can get, loading up on quality companies and getting ready to sell them with into strength in this month, because the market, the state, the economy, the state of everything, inflation, interest hikes, all that is still, a problem, a major problem. So with that being said, the market is still due to come back down even lower. So don't let this block your mind by seeing all this green that's about to come. So you already know what to do, guys. Add you on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.